Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is Florida Man Learns You Don't Pull a Nail Gun on a Cop. Come on now, that's one way to go to the grave site, I'm trying to tell you.
On March 10, 2023, deputies responded to a trespassing call involving an unpredictable male.
You don't live here.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't. You don't live here because you called me for a well-being check last week.
You didn't make it.
I did make it.
Then why didn't you call me back?
Because she's already spoken to you.
What?
2104, you want to expedite?
Dude, I'm out of here.
All right, you're being trespassed. If you come back, you'll be taken to jail.
Okay. Thank you, sir. I'm a carpenter, bro.
Okay, kick
I
rocks.
started my own company.
Kick rocks.
Tailor-made custom carpentry.
He's highly irate.
He filed that LLC.
Trying to find my keys.
You're fine. Find your keys. Come on. The faster you get out of here, the faster I don't have to deal with this shit anymore. Come on.
I don't have my keys.
Okay, then walk. You're being trespassed.
I'm not trying to hurt you, dude. I just want to ask her to marry me.
Okay, she doesn't want to marry you because she wants you trespassed.
But I made like
Expedite.
What's up with these guys crashing out over these women, man? They be putting it on them like that. Ain't no way that cat be that good. Like, God, y'all ready to crash out? You talk about you want to ask her to marry you. My boy is a nut job. Ladies, y'all can't be putting it on him like that now. Come on, man. You got guys going nuts. Literally.
Just trying to give her her stuff, dude. Just relax, okay? I'm not doing anything wrong.
54, he's not aggressive, he's just agitated extremely.
I'm moving out. I don't want to live with her anymore. I don't want to be married anymore, okay?
Okay.
That's it. So don't shoot me or anything shit like that.
I don't plan on shooting you unless you do something really, really stupid.
What would I do?
Come at me.
Why?
Because you're extremely agitated.
No.
All I asked you to do was leave.
I'm happy as fuck. I just got a new job.
Fantastic. Well, let's go be happy somewhere else other than here.
And I found this badass gun. It's a Rigid. I was going to give it to my son. My bachelor party, dude.
Okay. Are you going to look for your keys or are you going to walk? Which one?
Thanks, Steve.
Don't walk up on me. Walk away.
What?
Walk away.
Why?
You're being trespassed.
Why? All my shit's here.
You don't live here. You don't live here.
Yes, I do. I live
No,
right
you
here.
don't. I was out here last week.
5 years, bro.
You don't
I
live
paid
here
for
anymore.
this property.
Okay, take a deep breath and calm down again.
Don't arrest me.
I don't plan on
I'm
arresting you
doing
unless you
nothing
stay here.
I'm not doing nothing wrong. Don't arrest me. All right? I just got to put my son's stuff there. All right? I'm joining the fucking army. I'm out. No problems.
That cat can't be
Fantastic.
that good. Ain't no way.
I don't want any problems.
She's the problem, not me. Volusia County won't hear about this. Half of this is Volusia County,
This is Lake County.
but down there's Volusia County.
Down there's Lake County too.
But down further is Volusia County.
You got to go about 10 miles down 44.
Start pushing me then.
I'm not pushing shit. You can get out or you can go to jail.
What?
You can leave or you can go to jail. Those are your options.
How am I going to leave?
You got 2 feet that work just fine. You've been walking around here the entire time. You can call a tow truck for your property.
Don't pull that gun.
I'm not pulling my gun. My hands are on my chest. You're fine.
She tried to shoot me and she smacked me in my fucking house the other day. Did you hear about that?
Where was that at?
Pearson.
Did you call the police?
Yes.
Okay, did they file a report?
No. Because she said I made it up.
I don't work
Why
for
does
Pearson
she
Police.
say I'm making shit up for her?
What are you yelling at me for?
Because she's lying to you, dude.
Listen, dude, I haven't even talked to her. I came out and did your well-being check last week. I know you don't live here. You've already lied to me and said you do live here.
do live
So I'm going to give you 2 options now. And option 1 is to leave. Option 2 is to go the f to jail.
All right, don't do it.
Try my shit. Get the f out of here.
All right.
Like, give me the channel.
His tents is that dark? That's a dangerous scenario.
Ryan, he just tried to jump out of the truck and run at me for a second. I had him at taser point. He's jumping back in the truck, moving around.
At this point, he need to be locked up. I ain't gonna lie. It's bad enough that you pointing the weapon at him and you ain't gonna lock him up if he just drives off.
All your shit on my property.
We can trash that later. Just
All my sons, dude.
you need to get out of here, like now. Ryan, he just grabbed a nail gun.
Y'all ever seen them point a weapon at somebody and
yes!
still let him go? If he drives off, y'all gonna let him go.
Show me your f***ing hands! Keep your hands out the door! With your right hand, roll the window all the way down. Roll the window all the way down.
Don't tase me, please.
Roll the window all the way down. Roll the window down. Slowly open the door.
Don't tase me, please.
Slowly open the door.
Tase me, please. Please don't tase me, dude. Don't tase me.
Open the door.
Tase me.
Face away from me. Let me see your hands. Face away from me. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle.
Don't tase me, please.
Step out of the vehicle.
I'm really scared. Don't tase me.
Step out of the car.
Don't tase me,
Oh,
please.
my boy
Don't
got
tase
his
me.
grown
Don't
man
tase me.
voice
Please,
now.
Please, please, please. Please don't. I'll leave. I'm leaving right now.
Step out of the car.
Oh, it's too late
Step
for that.
out of the car. Last warning to step out of the car. Face away from me.
Don't tase me, please. Don't tase me.
Face away from me. Taylor, you need to step out of the car and face away from me. Now.
Don't tase me, please. Please don't tase me, please, 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 please don't.
Place your hands behind your back.
What I do?
Place your hands behind your back. Do not move. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Like he's the 10, you can clear it. Don't tense up.
Sorry.
Oh, this wasn't even crazy.
I'm sorry.
What?
I'm just trying to give my son some stuff. That's all.
Stand up.
It's his birthday.
We're gonna walk over here now.
It's his birthday, dude. That's all I'm trying to do.
Okay, well you done f***ed up now.
Why?
Really? Grabbing a nail gun and pointing it at me is a
No, I
mistake?
didn't. I was trying to give it to my son, buddy.
That's not what you did, bud.
I was trying to give it
You
to my
opened
son.
that passenger door and pointed the nail gun at
No,
me.
I did not.
Don't
It's not even. There's
tense,
no.
don't tense up.
What are you doing, dude? Why are you doing this to me?
Because you pointed a nail gun
did
at
not,
me.
buddy.
You did.
I did not.
I watched you do it.
I did not. You're a liar.
I'm not lying.
You're lying.
I watched you do it.
You're lying.
All you had to do was leave. That's it.
That's all I'm doing is leaving.
You weren't leaving. You were pushing stuff out of the car after several times I told you to leave.
I just wanted to give my son his birthday gifts. That's all. Just trying to say bye to my son. I was gonna go join the army.
There's a nail gun in the passenger seat. He
It's my
started
son's
dumping
nail
stuff.
gun. It's for my son, dude.
He
It's
started
for his
dumping stuff.
mother.
Shut up. He started. Quiet.
Hey, relax.
He started
It was
dumping
for my
stuff.
son.
Relax.
Relax.
He started dumping stuff out the passenger seat.
I'm fine.
When I came around the corner with my taser, he pointed that nail gun at me.
Hey, did I tell you to get up off the
I'm
desk?
sorry.
Lay
I'm
down.
sorry. She freaks me out, dude. She always takes my son and makes me freak out. I don't know why she keeps doing this to me.
You got anything that's gonna poke me, cut me, stick me, stab me?
No, dude, I don't do drugs.
You got any razor blades, knives, anything like that?
No, man. I don't think so.
Roll up around to your right side. Sit up. You're getting ready to stand up.
I told her she does this every time. She makes me freak out and she takes my son. You guys take me to jail every time. This family's scandal.
Your seat clear?
I'm perfectly fine, dude. Thank you, double lock, please.
This is what I'm trying to do. Unclasp your hand for me.
This
so
is the most normal he's talked the whole time
Thank
since
you.
it takes him to get handcuffs put on.
I'm finally free from her, dude. She's such a horrible
Inside
person.
the vehicle.
She's such a horrible person. She's
Inside the vehicle.
she takes my little boy away all the time.
He was talking like a madman, a psycho, and then he gets cuffed up, and now all of a sudden he can talk normal. Like what? Oh, now you can talk normal. Now that you about to go down to the county, ain't no way y'all ladies is putting in all these guys like this. Ain't no way. These guys is going crazy.
There's no reason for it, dude.
Let me start this camera real quick. No.
Do you guys see? You see what these do to people? I didn't do anything wrong, but was just asking my son's mother to marry me. That's it. That's all I asked to do, and look what they did. They locked away and put away the key. I did nothing wrong to anyone. I'm a preacher. I was gonna marry her and her new girlfriend. That's all.
The well-being check. She said this isn't the first time.
God damn, my guy. Listen, you was so bad. Hold on, I gotta go on the big screen. Hold on. Bruh, you was so bad. It's such a headache that she turned the girls. Yo, you was such a bad experience. You hey, he said I was gonna marry her and her girlfriend, so implying that she left you and she has a new girlfriend or whatever. So your son is being raised in a lesbian household. Oh man, you was so bad that she turned to girls. Oh man, god damn, bruh.
When I did the well-being check, she said it wasn't the first time.
Okay.
So
I'll photograph this.
I'll go as far as even getting a statement from her real quick.
See if she wants to do it.
Alright. We'll walk down here a little bit in the shade. I like the shade a little bit more.
I had my adrenaline going.
Yeah, me too. Not every day I get a nail gun pointed at me.
No, I really was gonna ask her to marry me, but apparently that didn't go over so well. Oh well. I'm gonna be suing these guys anyway, so I'll be pretty rich.
Everything was fine. It was great. And then he just has this mental snap, and I don't know what triggers it.
I remember you said that last time, that he has mental snaps.
It's all about balance, people. You gotta balance yourselves. You don't need to use drugs. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to get a weed card or any shit like that. Like, smoke some cigarettes and have a beer every once in a while. You don't need to smoke drugs.
31, 28.
Every time that she does that, I get calmer and calmer. Every time. This is the last time I'll ever come over here. What's your name, officer? Deputy Clark. Deputy Clark, you are now officially being sued. I want to press charges on him right now. I know my acts. I know the Baker Act rights. I know everything.
You're not being Baker Act of your implicit arrest.
Why?
Aggravated assault on law enforcement.
I didn't touch you.
Aggravated assault, not aggravated battery.
It's all on your body cam, dude. You don't have a case.
Your attorney should have a field day then.
What's that?
I said your attorney should have a field day then.
Oh, he's gonna have a great time. Because I think you're pretty rich. Aren't you Chitwood's son or something? Are you Chitwood's son? Oh wait, I'm Chitwood's son, that's right. I'm a Volusia County Sheriff, bro. I was just going down there to sign up.
Fantastic.
Call Ron Skipper. You're not going to jail? Yeah, you are. Yeah, you're going to jail, dude. 10-4, over and out. Roger that.
Like,
Do you feel threatened by him?
no, I would smash his face, like, without a doubt. I do not feel threatened by him, but he's unpredictable.
Police brutality! Oh, police brutality. Oh, that thing's choking me, dude. Help.
If I was that officer, I definitely would have tased him, for sure. Like,
Oh, yeah?
hands down.
Florida man. They finally got Florida man, dude. They finally got Florida man. Damn! Hopefully there's some cute girls in there working. I like girl cops. Pretty hot. Ain't got nothing on military, police, Marine, MP, PIM to the MP. I used to be a hero, but now this cop made me a zero. He's gonna get sued for $1 zillion to $1 trillion to a rear row. This cop's getting sued for a lot of money because he thought it was.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.